Fourth gear, 1500. Let's give it a lovely. This is the road leads to the road I really like, and I hope my battery is gonna hold up on the GoPro so I can show it to you. So this is the road called Viagellia or Viagellia. Why there is water on this road? Ah! No! Oh, that's a nice waterfall. I've been on this road like I don't know how many times. I didn't even see that thing. Bends dead ahead. So basically this is one part of the road, Viagellia. If you have a sports bike, this is a lovely road for that, I'll tell you that. But that's just beautiful. Oh, I can't stop it in the middle of the road. I wish I could. Let's go to that road which I wanted to show you. So let's pick up the pace a little bit because I'm gonna run out of battery. And like I said, if you have a sports bike, this road is definitely recommended. But again, you've got to be careful with the police or whatever. Just take it easy, guys, out there. Right, so this is the one I like. It's the B5056 to Ashbourne. This is a very nice road. Gotta be careful because quite a few lorries going on this road, again because of the connection to the 515 which goes to Buxton. What I wanted to show you is when this road gets out to the countryside of it, it's just beautiful. It's really nice. So I'm just gonna slow down so the GoPro, I mean, come on, that's just, huh? What did I tell you? Lovely. I really like it. Maybe in the summer it looks a little bit better when you have a little leaves on the trees, but still now it's just the way it looks. I love it. It looks like it come out of Need for Speed forest map game kind of thing. It's just lovely. I really like it. I mean, if you don't like these kind of country roads, and I mean, there's something definitely wrong with you. I mean, that is just absolutely beautiful. Funny thing is, I'm turning my hammer that way, but I'm actually looking forward. This is weird. Just so I can show it to you guys. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. If you want to connect to nature, come into the Peak District. Look at that. That was quick. And by the way, do you know, that was full throttle. Road surface gets better here. I think it's been refurbished not too long ago. And there's a massive pothole there. What the heck are you talking about, Laurent? I bet you can't see it, but there's a river down there. Oh my god, that's lovely. run out of... Oh, bollocks. One thing noted, do not park a Virago downhill, because it will roll away, as it nearly just did for me. Oh, bloody hell, I nearly dropped it. Whoo! Damn! A pheasant. A pheasant. I'm wearing earplugs, but I don't think the microphone in my helmet picks up anything, to be honest. But I can hear birds. There's probably a farm up there. Stop making noise, silly car. Hey, I can't see a word. My bike is quite noisy. So yeah, there's a lovely river down there, look. Absolutely gorgeous. I really do like this road. It's quite steep, to be honest. No wonder the bloody bike nearly fell off. Ah, bloody water on the road. Why? And on the front, obviously. Awesome. Look at that sky. Come on, it's like in Spain. Bike, nice and shiny. Well, it was before the bloody water splashed all over it. It is the exhaust, guys, the one you saw earlier. I hope you can hear it nicely on the microphone. I do hope so. I think this is one of my favorite bike of all. I had VFR 750, I had XJ 550 from 81, I had an Aprilia Falco, I had a VF 750 Magna, and I think this is the one I like the most.